Kasi naka-ano ako eh. Naka-iPad ako eh.
Yep, Tez is underneath.
Naka-iPad ako. You know the rope reaches here before?
Mm.
Here.
Oh. But what? It snapped.
Oops. Why now?
I think before you can start from here, right? No need to go.
No, dear.
Plan B.
Oh boy.
Plan B.
You have to roll the rope on your hand before you grab that one. Or
Dalawang tali lang. Ay, yan. Yung root, hindi mo kaya?
Ano hawakan?
Ay, ang root.
yan. Better is tanggalin nyo yung sombrero nyo kasi binablock nyo yung ano. Oo, hindi nyo makita talaga.
Kawakan mo yung dalawang tali, pati yung
Dalawang
blue.
tali, babe. Yan.
Oh god. Take your time, relax. Get your energy, get your energy.
Take a rest if you want.
Oo! Oh! Loose yung loose.
Loose yung bato, loose.
Yung tali lang.
What?
The stone, the rock.
Oh.
It's loose.
Oh, what? You're
Don't
kidding.
hold up.
Oh, great. That's one less stone for me.
No.
Scaring more. Let the rope, ha? Ate, hold the rope. Yung isang kamay sa rope, ha?
Eh, ano mo nga, itry mo umakyat, kunin mo yung tali yon. Kung kaya mong ilos.
Ito.
Okay lang yun. Nauna na siya eh.
Isel! Ayaw mo talaga mag-antay?
Eh, ano mo nga yung tali?
Hindi aabot hanggang dito sa baba.
Hindi ka pwedeng bumaba just in case. Kaya mag-antay ka na lang.
Take your time, take your time.
Dalawang lubid.
Take your time. Okay, so. Touch your breath. Touch your breath.
So, saan tayo pupunta?
Ayun, akit pa tayo kasi sa taas na yun. Ano yun?
Saan? Di ba yung lubid na yan? Tapos, sakit pa dun sa tok. O, tapos yan, then, doon tayo pupunta.
Baka doon na.
Huwag kang mag-iwas sa akin. Ano ito? Wala dyan, wala kang
Don't grab the grass. No, the grass is not going to work.
Just the roots can, but you have to check it out first, guys.
Oh, yes.
Kevin, your turn.
No.
One at a time.
Wala na bang ibang way dyan?
All right.